my first review of any appliances like that. So we're going to take it slow and steady. I bought this about a month ago. But I was in a previous apartment and I bought this one. So we moved in. I didn't set it up because I actually bought it for this property. So for today, it's going to be review, review, review. Watch out. Alright, like I said, we're reviewing the Ecovac robot today. We'll start by getting out of the box. There's a vacuum and a mopping robot as well. And it has the self-emptying bin. Comes in parts like this. That's going to be the machine itself. These are the accessories. And this is the charging, docking, and emptying station. It's nice. I've not actually started this once before, so this is going to be the first attempt at going at it. It comes in like this. It's a white one. It's quite big. It's massive as well. So I'll leave this for now. There's a seal here. Take this off. There's another seal here. Oh, this has a true mapping function. Pressing the buttons on the machine itself rather than connecting it to the internet. I'm trying to go for a Google Smart Home. So I bought something that's working with Google as well. I believe that's all the section here. So yeah, it comes with a pad. These are reusable. Nope, these are the one-time use mopping pads. Charging cable. It's got 3 pin. I'm in the UK, so it's got 3 pin. This is the disposable bin for the machine itself. It's got 2 sweepers. Just attach it to the machine. So a red one and a green one. User manual. Well, I think that's it. There's already one, so this is a replacement. So there's already one installed in here, I believe. So this is just a replacement. Let's test this. So just plug in at the back like 6. Right, moment of truth. So the package contains a robot, an auto empty station, a power cord, the dust bag, instruction manual, disposable mopping pad, washable mopping pad, and a mopping pad plate. Oh, that's the plate there. It's got an auto button and a top cover. It's got true mapping distance sensor, which is just this bit above his head. We need to install the side brushes. The good thing is they've color coded it. So the red goes to the red button behind it, and the green to the green. That's it. So if I'm to mop, this is a tank where you put water in and it goes from there. This is debris storage, so this empties into the automatic emptying tank. Okay, let's start this up. So right now it's charging. This is what we have. So yeah, after setup, this is what we have now. The charging base and the machine itself. To start charging, you have to open up here. The red one is off and the gray one is on. So at the moment, I've just switched it on. Oh yeah, there's a little tool accessories in here. I think this is to just take off any hair, and this is just to brush off any of the, I believe, underneath the machine itself. That's quite handy. No, I don't have a pet anyway, so let's go ahead and see whether this does.
Moment of truth.
Starting cleaning.
Okay, big man. Just gonna close this thing. So it's getting all the edges first. So I said again, this is the Ecovac Deebot N8 Plus. Oh, I'm tangling everywhere. It's going to take off the cables for a moment. So I think it's done the edges and it's just going round at the moment in an S formation, I believe. Yeah, it's going in an S formation. Well, I think I can get used to this. Well, I think it was pretty much straightforward in terms of setting up. I've not actually set this up before. It comes in a box, pretty much ready to go. I've just only installed the sweeper bits. I'm not doing the mop function at the moment. The sweeper bit and just the cable. Switch the power on and just tell it to clean. In a minute now, I'm going to check if it can detect where the charging station is. Once I press the button, I think you have to hold it for about 3 seconds for it to go back. So it's done the edges previously. Now it's avoiding all the edges. This is the Ecovac Deebot N8 Plus with the self-charging station and the docking station. This was bought in the UK where I reside. I've not actually seen a review of it that much, of this particular brand. I think they've got the T8 version. I've got the N8 Plus Ecovac. I think it's going over the edges again. Alright, let's see what is going to take itself home. So if I press this button,
cleaning pause.
oh no.
Returning to charge.
So it's just a returning to charge. Can it locate where the charging station is? Oh yes it can. It's quite clever. It's taking its time. It's alright, you can just go home. You've had a long day. So it's supposed to empty itself once it gets to the station. Yep.
Starting charging. Emptying the dustbin.
Okay, that is loud. I would say you don't want to be scheduling this to clean in the night. That could actually wake you up. So that's the bin. Let's pull this out. Yeah, pretty much. It's emptied everything. Some debris in there. Oops. So yeah, that's about it. Once I put the cleaning bit, I'm gonna just do another video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Any question, review, comments you want to give, just put it down below and I'll answer them. Thank you very much.